Packing outstanding aesthetics with proven Ford power, this choice drop top packs timeless custom appeal and a professional road-ready restoration. And if you're looking for a fun weekend warrior that mixes one-of-a-kind style with top-of-the-line performance, it's just the good time you've been waiting for. Treated to a ground-up professional restoration, this classy convertible was stripped completely bare before being placed back on the road to flashy 50s glory. After much detailing and finesse, the car's whittled in solid profile stacked brilliant red two-stage under a striking white top. Open the doors and you'll find a tasteful ivory interior that was professionally installed. Original style gauges tops a V8 branded dash that's complete with direct fit audio and factory heat. Broad bench seats have been upgraded with snake oil belts, and the driver spins a retro Master Guide steering wheel. This blue oval bombshell features 351 cubic inches of proven Ford Windsor that was professionally rebuilt. Shifts come courtesy of a sturdy C4 automatic 3-speed and is complemented by 275 gears. This exceptionally clean Crestline is one of the coolest cruisers on the planet. It offers the best of both worlds, a fully restored car at a fraction of its build cost, and a unique hot rod that really sets itself apart. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.